Usumbuan Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya, Prestone Tensong, Ubadairu Chairman Regional Committee Pynbeit Port Riboy District, Ulaong bah kinu gikam ki bah Sorkar kale kindan bet ki jingkynnoh, Andrek Sorkar kanya khmat, ban Pynbeit Port akwat ke baar, lani ke phase 2 bat ke Jela Assam. Habakran sigilar patai kubor hak arplai trek julio arjar fly hading ke cingelang ethir sani ban Pynbeit Port i Caka Riboy District kata ke Bordwar Dech Domria. Kanawa Matumor Block 2 Hashwaban Yakan bag Regional Committee na Assam Hakitayaw Banwan Une unong elam loong bakin sahiarru syagini Caka bad sengap igasur ki pajba.
There are two issues here. If you talk about Block 1, Block 2, it's a question of retransferring. Some people they misunderstand this. When you talk about Block 1, Block 2, please understand the question of differences does not arise. The question of dispute does not arise. It is purely the question of retransferring land. Those Block 1, Block 2, on the basis of notification 1951, we placed before the government of Assam to kindly retransfer it to us in those areas where the population is maximum with our own people. Whatever the guidelines is in place since last phase, so even this second phase, the same criteria is adopted.
So during the first phase, we saw there were resentment from certain quarters. How can we ensure that doesn't happen?
See, that I think I'm wrong if I say that we don't get the opposition. Anything you're doing, always, this is public sentiment is always there, and then some people who appreciated the government done, but some group of people again they will say, oh, no, the government, I think they have not done rightly. That will be there, but what I'm trying to tell you is this: now we cross 50 years. It's only the government who has taken a very firm decision that we wanted to resolve this issue once and for all. So the first phase we have done it. Yes, so many portions of Meghalaya population, they said yes, we have done the right thing. But again, some of them they say no, government has done nothing, and government has damaged, and then government has sold out the land or surrendered to our counterpart Assam. That is there. But whatever I'm telling you, we are doing this for the best interest of the next generation of our state. So we will go ahead, no matter what, but we will go ahead. With the Regional Committee of Riboy District for the second phase inspection and the decision to be taken for the boundary issue. We had a meeting today, all the members attended the meeting, and we decided that in a few weeks from now, we will fix up a joint meeting with the regional committee from our counterpart from Assam, and thereafter, once the joint meeting is held, then we will again go to the spot jointly and then take a final call on this issue. Most likely next month, because now we are towards the end of this month. So in the month of July, we will have a joint meeting with our counterpart.
So has your committee also discussed regarding the demand of the people from Block 2 for retransferring of Block 2 to...
Yes, it is there already. See, as far as Riboy district is concerned, we have three sectors. One is Dech Domria, and then next is Bordwar area, Nongwa area, and then Block 2. So these are the three areas where we need to discuss, sit down with our counterpart, and then take forward whatever necessary to be done.
Dr. Dipankar Das, DM Cardiology, MD Medicine, naka Swagat Hospital, Guwahati, undon Hanongba, Shillong, haka Arba South Rig Ujilio, Arhajar Arpulai, Nadu Kapor, Katway Baje Minstep, Howardland Hospital. Undon Ru, Hakasi Sajan, Kabasaw, Man Lau Benai. Kino Gibran Jingpang Klong Snam, Kilaban one is Selok Yu. Call how number, Kandai not, Prakandai, not Kandai, Nyo khandai not nyo